The light is supposed to make things brighter, but it seems to have a habit of making things darker, creating some weird shadows. I don't know why that is. There you go. No, I'm very pleased with the way the ECTO-1 is coming together. And yes, I'm skipping ahead a bit. I mean, I've started doing some of the steps of step 3, the front and rear bumpers, but I didn't see any reason not to. Now, I haven't glued the chassis to the car body, although considering the angle we're looking at here, I guess there's no reason I can't, because you don't want that car body to become loose and wiggle around. See how it has a habit of moving around? And I guess, I'm not sure exactly how it fits in place there. I mean, it seems to be like that, but look at how it wobbles side to side here. Although that seems to be how it should look. Hold on, let's take a look. Does that look right? Or does it have to be more centered like that? But it's not, for whatever reason, it is not staying in place, and I'm not sure why. Really not sure why. Because you can't turn it the other way. That doesn't work at all. So it is clearly this way. But it wobbles around from side to side. So I don't know if it's supposed to be glued in or if it's supposed to be screwed in. Well, maybe when the car body is attached firmly, maybe it works. So give me 1 minute to try that. I mean, I'm not going to attach it firmly. I'm just going to set it in place like so. It was actually fitting better earlier today when I tried this once before. Ah, there we go. See? I mean, I'm not going to try to fit it in. All right, it's not quite working right now. I'll have to try it later. Oh, and a wheel just fell off the axle. I mean, you're catching all the boo-boos right now. Oh, well, you would be if you were able to see them. So I don't know why this wheel came off the axle. It's probably being evil because, as you see, the other one is just fine. So let's push it in as far as it can go. Put this on here like that. Maybe that one will take a little glue so it won't fall off. That would be the logical choice here. So little glue there, little glue in here. You just fit it in place, and there you go. Like so. All right. Okay. Oop. There you go. Just isn't centered correctly. Unless, well, that's better. Let's try it this way. Because it worked once before. That is getting there. It is getting there slowly. But now it seems the front bumper is interfering a bit. So let's see if I can... Well, it's supposed to fit over the wheels. But you wouldn't have been able to assemble it without putting the front bumper in place. So I don't know why it's not working right now. It was working before. It's not working now. Because you can see these. See these? They fit here, and then the screw comes up to meet them. Ah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it, got it. And you see? You see? The screws will go right in there. And in the back side, the screws will go right in there. Perfect. And I can see right through to everything, so I know the screws will fit in the holes just fine. So, and once the screws are in place, then the car chassis interior bucket doesn't move at all. Okay, so there's a test fit of the fully intact ECTO-1 on its wheels. So let me take this off the stand, and we'll see what we get here. But let me get it like this first. Now remember, that's just loosely fit. It can be taken off, and it will be.